How to fix lag and slow problem on Roblox. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the problem, it's very easy and I'm gonna show you how to in less than 1 minute. So please keep watching until the very end. So first thing you have to do is go to the top corner, click on Roblox logo and then go to the settings, and now all what you have to do is simple. Just make sure to scroll down until you find graphics quality and make it lower as possible. And then scroll down and make sure to turn off the performance states and the micro profiler and the camera inverted. And then all what you have to do is close this window, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you. Don't forget, and see you later.